Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to take is Urban Decay's Primer Potion. This is going to prevent any creasing because I do have creasing on my eyelid if I don't apply this. So I'm just going to blend that out, apply it all over my eyelid. And then what I'm going to do is take some loose setting translucent powder or any powder, any light powder, and I'm going to just set that so the shadows that I put on top go on seamlessly. And then I'm going to take Huda Beauty's Topaz Obsessions palette. And I'm going to take that color that I'm pointing to right there, and I'm going to use that kind of as my transition shade. I'm just going to blend it out very lightly. I'm barely tapping my brush in it really, and I just want to make sure that the top is blended out mostly. And then I'm going to go back into that palette and take the color that looks almost exactly like it, but it's a little bit darker, and I'm just going to use that in the outer crease, the outer corner, and into the crease. And again, not really going too much. I just dip my brush in once and that's it, and I'm using a Sigma E35 blending brush. Actually it's E25. And then I'm taking the gold from the palette and I'm just going to put that on the first half of my eyelid. Again, I'm not really pushing, I kind of just tapped my brush in very lightly. I don't want it to be super shimmery. I just want a little shimmer effect, so I was going in very lightly, just layering it very lightly. And then I'm going to take Dose of Colors, I think, what is it called? Rodeo eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply a wing with that. I'm not doing anything super thick, I just want it really thin, and I'm using a Dose of Colors eyeliner brush to do this too. And then before that dries, I'm going to, well, dries all the way, I'm going to take a really tiny pencil brush and I'm going to blend out the top layer of that eyeliner. And then after I do that, I'm going to blend it out as much as I can before it dries. And then after I do that, I'm going to go back into the Huda palette with the dark brown shade. And then I'm really going to start just blending that out and smoking out that eyeliner. Again, just really the top, and then when I get to that kind of crease part, I kind of go up a little bit. I bring the shadow up a little bit and just making sure everything is blended and I don't see that top line. And then for my lower lash line, I just used the first color that I used in the very beginning, that transition shade. And in the inner corner I used a highlighter, and I don't remember what it was because I'm a terrible YouTuber. Sorry. Everything will be listed in the link in the description box below. And then I just added a little bit of that dark brown as close to the lash line as possible. And then I'm taking Dose of Colors eyeliner, the brown one. I think they only have one. I'm not sure. I will link it in the description box. And then I took Milk Makeup's mascara. It's one of my favorites, added to top and bottom. And then for lashes, I used the new Flutter lashes in Lovable.